Welcome to this video. Hope you have a nice day, and if not, try to make this great for you. So, today we will talk about browser not opening in Windows 11. So, how to fix it? Very simple. So, we will try to fix it. Step number 1, right click the Windows button, select run command, type here. Step number 2, type in MSCONFIG. Again MSCONFIG. Hit the OK. On the Journal tab, step number 3, on the Journal tab, select Selective Startup. Then untick Load Startup Items. Step number 4, on the Service tab, click Hide All Microsoft Services. On the bottom side, click on Hide All Microsoft Services. Step number 5, click Disable All. From here, click Disable All. Step number 6, on the Startup tab, click Open Task Manager. A task manager window should open. Step number 7, disable all startup items. As you can see, I have already disabled all the items. You can also choose which startup items to disable, as certain devices and apps might not work properly if the startup item related to it is disabled. Some antivirus apps can't be disabled at startup through Task Manager. Step number 8, go back to your system configuration window. Step number 9, click Apply and then OK. Step number 10, click Restart when prompted. In my case, I just exist without restart because once the PC goes back up, check if it will resolve the issue. So that's all for today. Hope this helps you, and if it did, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other features, tips, tricks or tutorials. Meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.